Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll make a hair mask using henna. Henna is a natural powder which is made up of a leaf. You'll need one lemon. Lemon helps in activating the henna powder and it also helps in maintaining the pH of the scalp. Some milk to make the paste. You'll also need few drops of tea tree oil. It's optional. You can also use coconut oil or argan oil just for moisturizing sake. Now let's get started. Take a mixing bowl and add the amount of henna powder which you'll need. For medium length hair you'll be needing about 100 gram. It's available online. I will put the links below. Henna does a lot of good things to your hair. It prevents hair fall and it deep conditions your hair. So regularly applying henna mask is beneficial. Now squeeze in 1 lemon juice. A lemon helps in activating the powder. You can also add tea decoction or green tea extract, which I'll be adding it in a short while. Okay, the next ingredient which we'll be adding is milk. Milk helps in moisturizing the hair. You can also add curd or yogurt. Add milk gradually so that you make it into a thick paste. Now add in some green tea decoction. Mix the ingredients well. Now add 2 drops of tea tree oil. If you don't like the smell of henna, you can add this oil. Tea tree oil does provide some additional benefits to your scalp. It helps to fight dandruff and other scalp infections. Leave this mixture overnight for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours and apply it on your hair section wise. You can leave it on your hair for 2 to 3 hours and then wash it off with mild shampoo. Use the gloves while handling this mask. This hair mask has a tendency to shade your hair red, so be cautious when you apply it on bleached hair or blonde hair. It has a lot of benefits, so read about it in the description box below. If you have any doubts, leave it in the comment section. If you find this recipe useful, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.